Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. Today, I'll show you how to request a refund on Western Union using your web browser. Let's get started. First, go to the Western Union website at westernunion.com and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, click on the menu button in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the transaction history. This will show all your recent transactions. Locate the transaction you want to refund. Once you find it, click on the Details button next to it to see more information. On the Transaction Details page, check if the refund option is available. If the money hasn't been picked up by the receiver, you will see a Request Refund button. Click on Request Refund and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to confirm your identity by entering additional details. Once done, submit the refund request. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation email from Western Union. Refunds typically take 7 to 14 business days to process, depending on your payment method. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more financial guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.